Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is another video about Ecuts from macromonster.com. And once again, I am not promoting this, I'm just showing you what's available. Ecuts, I can find more and more helpful things. You can do this with find and replace, but not this easy. Let's say we want all the blues. We go right here and go search, outline color, advanced search. I'm going to hit delete, and I deleted all the blues. Let's use a square, and this time let's shape type. Whoop, I should have hit advanced search and hit delete. It's going to delete all the squares. This could be very useful. Not only is it doing, let's say you want all the squares to be blue on the inside. Now, if you'll stay tuned to part 2 of this, I'm going to show you a more practical and really helpful thing that could really help you. Hope that helped. Thank you.